You want us to check it as well?
Yeah, I said check it. Yeah, might as well do it. Oh, sure. But for me, I always want to know what the answers are. The answers are all there's infinitely many of them. Yeah. But like, if the answers were all even numbers, that's still infinitely many. You know what I mean? Yeah. On an 11 kick in these apparently. So I know right now there are people in here that have zero trouble with this. And like I said before, just love that as long as it's true. Because eventually we're probably going to hit something that's really freaky for you. Then there's others of us that are like, what the shit? Why would you make me do this by myself? I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So all right, that's what I'm talking to you right now. Give you another minute. No. No. Oh, let's what we have down here. Oh, there's twos. There's threes. Yeah. That always sucks when the check goes wrong. You're like, oh no. Now watch. This is what I was talking about before. What's 6 plus 6? Doesn't cancel 6. So what should you do? How do you kill the 6? I don't know. But you're putting a positive 6 with that. So how do I kill the positive 6? Minus 6. Because you could rewrite that as negative 5x plus 6. And then you can really see that it's minus 6. Yeah, totally. Yeah. Boy, I like it. Careful, no, right here. See how you got your numbers together? Your letters are not together, so you're gonna have to move those 8 x's over here. The same way you move those 4, that 4 over. You gotta subtract 8 x over here. You almost always divide last. Yeah. All right, let's take a look at these. Let's take a look. So pretty much, once you distribute, so the only thing that's missing from these problems to make it like a real full-fledged equation is to have parentheses in there somewhere. But once you distribute, get your like terms together, you're going to end up something that looks like this. And then what you do is you say, where are my x's? Are they all together? All my x's are in one place, right? Why is this term not by itself? Stupid 1. So how do I kill that? Add 1. Is that cool? Yes? So then you get 4x equals 12. And then now I say, why is my x not by itself?
4.
So how do I kill a 4? Divide by 4. Right, and then to check it, 4 times 3 minus 1 is 12, minus 1 is 11. Check. I like it. How are we doing? And again, I'm gonna say this almost every day. If you look around yourself and everybody's going like this, half of them are lying. If you have a question, ask it. Don't feel like I'm the only one that doesn't know what's going on. That is so not true. About 12 people have the same thought right now in their head. We doing all right? Okay, maybe. So this one is kind of nifty. You got to be careful. Here's my x term. Stupid plus 6 is there, right? It's a positive 6. How do I kill the 6?
Subtract 6.
This is a perfect place. I'm not picking on anybody because I know more than one person did this. If you do this, do those cancel?
No.
So it didn't do what you wanted it to. So then you go, oh, I got to do this to make this stupid thing cancel. I don't want it there anymore. There's too much shit on that side. It's numbers and letters. Try to get some of that crap out of the way. Now it cancels. So then I'm left with negative 5x equals 5. And like I promised, you almost always end up dividing last. So I kind of gave it away. Hopefully you guys see, hopefully nobody added 5. Because that won't kill the operation that's happening. What's defined to kill multiplication? Division. Bam. X equals?
-1.
-1. Yay! So then 6 minus 5 times -1 is 6 plus 5 is 11. Check. Kick ass. All right, now here's our first one where that first question is no. Are all my x's together? No. It doesn't matter which side you go to. So what do you want to do to get your x's together? There's a couple different things you could do.
Take it
Minus 3. So I would do that because it would keep the answer positive, right? I don't care how good you are at math, the more negatives there are somewhere, the more likely it's going to be that you make a mistake. Negatives have that ability. So if I subtract 3x, it's going to keep the thing positive. You guys see that? So that dies on that side. So on this side I got 4. And what's 8x minus 3x? 5x, and then I still have the minus 11. See, I'm being very nice to myself by writing what's left where on which side of the equals, right? And what's now let me ask this question, see if you guys get this. What's out of place? What's not in the right place?
-11.
-11. It's supposed to be with the other numbers, right? So how do I get the -11 out of there? Add 11. Die. So now we got 5x equals 15. And again, the last step is almost always divide. So get x is 3. I can turn it around if I want to. That's actually a property. It's called the reflexive property. It's like, good Lord, math people. Of course you can just turn the damn thing around. If 3 is x, then guess what? X is 3. Yay, go. So if you put a 3 in, how do you do this? It's got to be 3 times 3 plus 4 equals 8 times 3 minus 11. Right? You got to put a 3 in for all the x's. So then you get 9 plus 4 is 13, and 24 minus 11 is 13. Yay! Okay, I like it. All right, good. This is about where I want to stop. So we'll do the other ones on this. I have some more handouts that kind of build us up more to these last two. I just put it on there, so and obviously it did its job, which is if you're good at this, I just want to give you more stuff to work on. Oh, before I forget, anybody need 2-2 homework? Last time I gave out 2-1 homework. There's 2 sheets here, so don't give that other sheet away.
2 or 2-1?
I gave 2-1 out last time, right?
Yeah.
And this is 2-2. Those are both yours. Those are both yours. Okay, then this packet is for her, and then this packet is for you, and you're good? You? You guys? You guys? Oh, what, two? Okay, and now she has to do two. No, those both yours. You do these to her. You.